Hello, I am Lindsay Wiesner, and this is my arc length project for AP Calculus AB class. To begin this project, I drew a path within the Saddle River County Park near my house. I then named it Lindsay Wiesner's Path and made a marker with the same name. Using the path from the previous slide, I was able to make the starting point of my path the origin of my graph, and I found 4 other points to plot. From here, I was able to use graphing software to find a polynomial fit line with the equation f of x equals 2.98 times 10 to the negative 9 times x to the fourth minus 4.5808 times 10 to the negative 6 times x to the third plus 0.0016x squared plus 0.0502x minus 1.143 times 10 to the negative 14. I then took the derivative of this equation, which gave me f prime of x equals 4 times 2.98 times 10 to the negative 9 times x to the third minus 3 times 4.5808 times 10 to the negative 6 times x squared plus 2 times 0.0016x plus 0.0502. From here, I used the arc length formula seen above. When I put my numbers into the equation, I got a measured arc length of about 835.63 feet, which is relatively close to the actual value of the path, which can be seen on the Google Maps, which is 854 feet. Thank you for watching.